Hey guys, welcome to Tardy Productions. Today we're going to be working on and hopefully selling our 5th Yamaha Bolt. Now, if you guys missed last week's episode, definitely go check that out, but I'll do a quick recap so you guys have a general idea of what happened. On the rear section of the bike, we took off the sissy bar, the mounts for the saddlebag, and then the seat we swapped over to my white bike, which is down there. Polished the entire exhaust, which it looks amazing. Cut the levers. They turn out really nice, actually. Switched out the headlight. We removed that mirror that was facing down, and after that, I removed the crash bar. You get the general idea. We did a lot to the bike last week, but now it's time to drop the handlebars down to stock, so let's get to work. Alright guys, sorry, I finished. Wait, come on, can you quiet down? Finally, goodness gracious, can't get any peace and quiet. Last night I stopped filming because Josiah got home and we were talking about stuff, and I kept working on the bike because I'm kind of on a time crunch here. I gotta get some stuff done. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. I slacked as a filmer and a YouTuber. So. I threw on some mirrors, I know, I don't run mirrors, but it needed mirrors pretty bad. So I threw on some mirrors, we put the bars down to stock. I don't have another air intake to throw on there. While I would love to keep that air intake, I can't. I don't have shocks for the back, and while I'd love to keep those shocks, I can't. Which, by the way, if you guys didn't catch the review that I did on these shocks, definitely go check that out. Very impressed, especially for the price range. So all that's really left to get this bike back to stock and really clean is the... I'm sorry, I know I had to interrupt, but you guys don't make it to the end of the videos, so this is on you. Go buy the merch, alright? We got new merch out. Make it to the end of the videos or buy the merch. It's one or the other. Okay, back to the video. The exhaust. And I don't really like the noise of it, but it's such a nice exhaust. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to swap the heads off the white bike onto this one and put the stock exhaust that is in that bucket over there on this bike. I'm not going to give you guys a how-to on how to bleed brakes. If you need that, I'm going to leave a link right here. Really simple and something that you could do yourself, and it'll really increase and improve your braking ability and could possibly save your life. Yeah, it could possibly save your life. Let's go with that. To the truck exhaust. Looks so clean, and having everything back to stock is so much better than having it fully custom because of this reason. It appeals to more people when you're selling it. Now recently we rode White Lightning out to the Forgotten Angels camp out, and the people I met there I will remember forever. You guys are freaking awesome. It was a lot of fun. While I'm there I had the pleasure of meeting 3 guys, 2 sons and a dad. So we start talking, I'm talking about Yamaha Bolts, and I let them know, hey, I actually have one that I'm planning on selling. While I have some offers for it, if you guys are interested in it, it's all yours. And it just so happened one of them needed a cruiser because he had been riding around on a CRF 250, I believe, highway rides, everything. I mean, he's wild for doing that. And I told him, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to sell it to you for what I bought it for. No more, no less. I'm not trying to be greedy here. I'm not trying to make a ton of money. And I've gotten a ton of cool parts out of this bike and out of the deal. And Kyle got his money. I'll get my money back. And then he will get a Yamaha Bolt. And the Florida Floozy will continue to live in Florida with owners that we know. So they're 5 minutes away right now. And we're going to check out the bike. I'm going to have him ride it around, see what he thinks. If he doesn't like it, maybe he won't buy it, but if he does, they're riding home on this thing today.
Dude, it even looks good with the gray.
The only thing I gotta get used to is that first gear, I gotta kick it hard. It's awesome.
Dude, you look good on that, dude. The matte black is it.
Alright, so what are your first impressions of riding it?
Man, it's smooth, it's good power delivery, it looks beautiful, just from the look of it. And then riding it's a dream, to be honest.
Good, man. I'm happy you like it, dude. Here, you want to shout out your Instagram?
I don't have an Instagram, bro.
No, you don't. Keep it that way.
Yeah, bro.
Keep it that way.
Yeah, bro.
Do not get Instagram.
Yeah, I put on my snap. The dude I ride with, he's like, oh, you not ready. The street's not ready.
Dude, thank you. Thank you. No, for real, thank you guys so much for just being so cool. Florida Floozy is on to a new home. This whole experience goes to show how awesome this community is and how great it is connecting with these people. Try to make it out to the next camp out. You'll meet a ton of new people, and I cannot wait to keep you updated on what happens with that bike. I hope he makes a YouTube channel. Actually, I'll try to convince him to make a YouTube channel. Yeah, if you're watching this right now, make a YouTube channel, dude. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm Aaron, this is Tardy Productions, and I will see you guys in next week. We're gonna do a lot of stuff with that bike. Goodbye.